What it do, YouTube? It's your boy Connor checking in with Muscle Addiction, man. If you're new to the channel and you don't know it's a vibe, make sure you stop this video right now. Like, comment, and subscribe, man, because we're going up all the rest of the year. Man, y'all just make sure y'all stay locked in with your boy. This video right here is going to be a sponsored video by Bink May. And the brand, I'm gonna put all the information in the description, but I put in a Amazon shop for y'all to go check out and everything. But I got something for y'all, like a treat, you know what I'm saying? Like a real exclusive, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to Paul over there at Bink May for reaching out to me and making this possible right here. But yeah, man, let's get right into it. And for all my Impala heads, yeah, that's what this video is about, you know, the Impala or whatnot. But you know what I'm saying? These are the tail lights right here. You know, if y'all have seen in the thumbnail, y'all already know what we're working with. But show y'all what the tail lights look like now and everything. Real bright. Reverse lights and everything. Got the tube design on there and everything. Like I said, these have been pretty good for the most part since I had them. No issues so far. Everything. So, but yeah, man, that's enough about those right there. Those are the past. We're finna talk about the future right here. These are some exclusive tail lights right here that I have the pleasure of doing a review on and stuff like that. Y'all don't too much mind the packaging right now, because these are the first editions out right here. Like I said, you will not find anybody else with these. So coming at y'all with a special only on Muscle Addiction, you feel me? So show y'all what we're working with here. Get this unboxed for y'all real quick. Show y'all what it look like. Alright, y'all, got them out in the sun. Let y'all see what it look like, what they look like. Really don't do no justice on camera and everything, but this is a full LED design. These have no bulbs that you have to put in here. Give y'all full 360 and everything. Just let y'all see what I'm talking about. It's just got that one plug on the back. So this is a very state-of-the-art, you know, new type of design right here. There's no other tail lights out here for the Impalas that got it like that. So yeah, man, so I can already tell right off the bat I like that these have seals right here. These just in the car now, they don't have seals in them, so I do like that. But yeah, man, like I say, that's what they look like. Reverse light is fully LED'd up, like I say, and like I say, it's a real treat up in here, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna get these through up in here, show y'all what it's looking like. So what you're gonna need to do is pop your trunk, get over in here, and there's gonna be these black screw off things here. Give you access to take this panel off, take your cargo net off if you got it. And when you pull this back here, you're gonna see 1, 2, because that one was the one that was holding on this third one. So you just take these out right here and screw these. Kind of long screws. Just gotta be patient with them. There they go. Take those out there. Take this out over here. Over here doing it at the crib, at Mom's Dukes. When you spin it like that, it'll get off a whole lot quicker. Alright, so now just pull these mugs out like this. And sweet part about these, just go up in here and pull your connector off. Take the whole tail light out. Get the new one. Put it in. Okay, so right off the bat, this plug wouldn't go in, and I'm not 100% sure if this is how it needs to go, but I'm seeing black to black on here, so I'm gonna give that a green light right now. So what I said about this side, the clip that was in there, the little metal clip, you just take those out, because that's basically just to keep the connector clipped on or whatever to this right here. This right here, this is what this is for, to clip on the here. But where you're supposed to clip this on there, it can't go in now. Man, you can make a way to make that work. Hold on, y'all. All right, so I just kind of clipped it on just to give y'all example of what y'all could do to make this work or whatever. It's not focusing in too good right now, y'all. There you go. I just kind of rigged that up, but anyway, we're gonna rock it like that. Put this right back in, just like that. Okay, got it now. And right off the bat, these seal way better, way better, way tighter. It hugs it way better than these here. Look at this gap. Y'all, can y'all see that? Look at that big old gap. I mean, you can stick some cards off up in there. I mean, this tail light wasn't too bad as I remember. I think this one was pretty good, but right up here, y'all can see it's a big old gap up in there. Might need to turn my flash off, but yeah, look at that gap. So right off the bat, it looks a whole lot tighter right there. I like that. I like that. So let's see what we looking like, y'all. Let's see what we looking like, y'all. Yeah, I'm geeked up. Y'all, here we go. Ooh. Ooh. Check it out, y'all. Check it out, y'all. Eee. Oh, yeah, man. It's nice. Look. So, y'all see, it's a full LED design. These have a similar tube type design on these, but these here, they curve down, you know, and these have a more factory look to them as the red. Now, what I will say is it would be nice if they do come out with another rendition as well as those, but they have a black housing with the clear like this, so where you can see the tube design like that. And I'm only saying that because this really this grew on me because this matched the white on the car. That's the only reason why I like that. So, but other than that, this looks really nice. I like the way that it looks. We're gonna get this pulled out in the sun after we get this other one put in here. So y'all what the park lights look like on it. Kind of hard to see. There's a little glare on the screen, but I don't know if it's too much I can do about that right now. Like I said, it's just these LEDs are really, really bright. Like I said, like actually, like these look like 3D. Like the way that I'm looking at these right now, it is so hard to tell. But yeah, y'all can see it right there. Look how it looks like 3D. Like it looks like it's popping out at you right there. You know, for some reason these don't have that same type of effect to it like that for some reason. But man, these look really good. Really, really good. I can say, and I'm not sure if it's just over time, but these right here are much, 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 much brighter. The LEDs in here are much brighter than these right here. I don't know if y'all can see that too well. Y'all can see it pretty good right there. Way brighter. These right here way brighter. So yeah, that's pretty nice. So and then look at the sequential function. I forgot to tell y'all that. Look at that, y'all. First Impala tail lights with a sequential function. So those are your hazard and turn signals right there. These don't do that. Those don't do that. There are no other Impala tail lights that do it like that. So that's pretty neat right there. That's pretty neat. And like I say, I can say that the reverse lights on the other ones, they're brighter. I can't say that. These reverse lights, but only because these are aftermarket LEDs. You know, like some really, really bright LEDs, and these just have kind of the individual ones But these are still let people know that you're backing up for sure. But y'all can see on here that these LEDs on the right are a little bit brighter, but in factory form these would probably be brighter with the regular halogen bulbs in the back. So get this other one tossed up in here, and then we're gonna get this thing pulled out and let y'all see what's up. Hit the brakes. Okay. Okay. Now hit the hazards. Those are the hazards there. Same thing, but we all in now. Okay. Now brakes. Okay, so all right. So I feel like for some reason the brakes are supposed to hit the signal light, left one. Now hit the brake with the signal light on. Okay. All right. We good. All right, y'all. We back. We finished. God dang me, y'all. I like this because it kind of give me the factory look back and stuff, you know. So without further ado, here we go. Y'all see how we're looking. God dang me, looking real spiffy, looking real new. So like I say, I like these. Like I said, they kind of got like a darker tint to them. Like they kind of smoked. They kind of like a darker tint, cause the factory Impala taillights, they a lot redder, like a lighter red, and these taillights are closer to that there. So I'm digging that. Look really good. So yeah, man. Y'all excuse the dirty vehicle. Looking real good, y'all. I like them. So I don't know pricing right now. I don't know what they're gonna be having them priced at, but I will keep y'all updated in the description as time go on. So y'all just stay tuned with that. These will be available to y'all real soon. So like I say, y'all just stay locked in. We'll tap on y'all with the next one.